Samsung is just days away from the official unveiling of what promises to be the largest Galaxy S launch ever. As anticipation reaches its peak, let's take a final look at some exciting Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks from this week. First, the best news. This Galaxy S series is shaping up to be the most powerful lineup Samsung has ever released. For the first time, all Galaxy S25 models will feature 12 gigabytes of RAM across every storage option. Even the base S25 model comes with this impressive upgrade. Additionally, every variant of the S25 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance across all markets. This is going to be epic. Moving on, the Galaxy S25 series could introduce life-saving features thanks to a car detection sensor. This was discovered in the One UI 7 software code, suggesting that Samsung is preparing to enable this feature in the S25 lineup. Samsung is also making strides with its satellite connectivity, which is already being implemented in the Galaxy S24 series and Z Fold 6. Screenshots from the software show this feature is likely to roll out with the S25 series as well. With all these innovations, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a game changer. We can't wait for Samsung to officially reveal everything at the Unpacked event. Samsung is once again introducing an exclusive feature that sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart from the competition, especially its rival, the iPhone. Just as the Galaxy S24 Ultra debuted an exclusive Gorilla Glass display with anti-reflective properties, the S25 Ultra is taking it to the next level. Samsung will use Corning's next-generation Gorilla Glass, offering even better anti-reflective properties. In addition to improved glare reduction, this new glass is also expected to be more durable than its predecessor. Once again, it looks like the S25 Ultra will be the only phone to feature this cutting-edge technology. On the camera front, we now have 100% confirmation of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's specs, thanks to details uncovered in the software code. The phone will feature a dual-zoom setup with 5x and 3x lenses, a new ISOCELL JN3 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and the powerful 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 main camera sensor. With these upgrades, the S25 Ultra continues to solidify its position as a top-tier flagship. Here's something exciting. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung might offer free access to Gemini Advance. Thanks to Samsung's partnership with Google, you could get this premium AI service, normally priced at $20 per month, for free. According to sources, Galaxy S25 buyers could receive 3 months of Gemini Advance, S25 Plus users might get 6 months, and S25 Ultra users could enjoy a full year of access. This move highlights Samsung's serious focus on AI, and Gemini Advance is a great way to showcase it. On top of that, the Galaxy S25 series will feature an advanced version of Bixby, making it a truly AI-powered smartphone experience. That's all the latest news. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series? Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.